Honeyera sent me this 5-pocket soft animal toy storage solution in exchange for my honest review. So let's see how it fares with my daughter's situation. This is wild. Look at how much these pockets hold. Are you kidding me? Wow. I mean, we're talking big stuffies. This is a larger pocket and they get sort of progressively smaller, it seems. So I put smaller things up top. And, you know, we definitely have some paring down to do, but this is an amazing difference in my daughter's room. If you can imagine these things just being sort of squirreled away into corners and thrown into piles, like, stop. Oh, Honeyera did such a nice job with this. It pretty much lies flat against the door. I kind of expected it would bulge out more over there, and it really doesn't. It just sort of hangs nicely. And what's more is that the door closes without any issues at all. No problems whatsoever. Look at that. This is an amazing solution. I need more. I need more. So next up is my son's room. Awesome. Awesome product.